Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special in store for you. Digital marketing tips and tricks. If you're looking to boost your online presence and supercharge your digital marketing game, you're in the right place. Social media is a goldmine for digital marketers. It's where you can engage with your audience directly and build a loyal following. Choose the right social media platforms for your business, create engaging content, and interact with your followers consistently. Email marketing is still a powerhouse in the digital world. It allows you to nurture leads and convert them into loyal customers. Craft compelling email campaigns, personalize your messages, and track your results to refine your strategy. Paid advertising can give your digital marketing efforts an extra push. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads offer incredible targeting options. Set a budget, target the right audience, and continuously optimize your ad campaigns for maximum ROI. And there you have it, folks, some valuable digital marketing tips and tricks to take your online presence to the next level. Remember, it's a dynamic field, so stay updated with the latest trends and keep experimenting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one. For more in-depth guides and resources, check out the links in the video description below. And as always, feel free to leave your questions and comments. Until next time, happy marketing!